The Earth is like a spaceship traveling through space. In this process of movement, every day our Earth goes through, encounters many asteroids and comets. Among them, some asteroids and comets come very close to Earth, and such collisions or close encounters, in this dynamic cosmic environment, are a very common phenomenon. However, what causes our Earth to remain unharmed after passing by countless asteroids and comets, and stay safe? And although our scientists have been continuously monitoring and studying the trajectories of asteroids and comets, we can never be 100% certain about the next time they approach Earth, whether it will pose a serious threat to humanity, or even lead to doomsday. Today, we will unveil through a scientific perspective, as the Earth orbits, passing through millions of asteroids, what kind of force can keep our Earth in a safe state. First of all, the sizes of these rocks floating in space vary. Some are as small as pebbles, while others are as huge as skyscrapers. Influenced by planetary gravity, they all move along intricate orbits. As our Earth orbits the Sun, it encounters millions of asteroids and comets, some of which come very close to Earth. These celestial bodies are called wanderers. They roam in various orbital paths within our solar system. Some even pass very close to our Earth. Among these Earth-approaching bodies, near-Earth objects play a crucial role. Near-Earth objects are comets and asteroids. They are influenced by the gravity of neighboring planets and enter orbits, allowing them to appear near Earth. These bodies are mainly composed of asteroids. They are remnants left over from the early formation of the solar system. By studying these celestial bodies, we can understand the process of formation and evolution of the solar system. Because they provide valuable clues and information, the vast majority of asteroids are located in the asteroid belt, which is a region that surrounds the Sun. It contains millions of asteroids. Their orbits are mostly located in the space between Mars and Jupiter. The gravity of Jupiter plays an important role in the asteroid belt of the solar system. Since Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, its gravity has a significant impact on the surrounding celestial bodies. The strong gravitational influence of Jupiter allows the celestial bodies in the asteroid belt to maintain relatively stable orbits, reducing the probability of these bodies colliding with Earth. The presence of Jupiter can be seen as a celestial janitor, attracting and absorbing many celestial bodies that could pose a threat to Earth, thereby protecting the Earth on which we depend for survival. Therefore, even though Earth constantly passes through the asteroid belt, due to the existence of this structure, Earth can still relatively safely exist in the universe. At the same time, beyond the asteroid belt is the Kuiper belt, a very distant region, where icy bodies and dwarf planets reside, including Pluto. The Kuiper belt is similar to the asteroid belt, but on a much larger scale. It starts from the orbit of Neptune, and extends to about 30 astronomical units, up to 50 astronomical units away, whereas the inner asteroids of the solar system are mainly composed of rock and metal. The bodies in the Kuiper belt are primarily made up of water, ammonia, methane, and other frozen volatile substances. Comets that enter our solar system typically originate from this cold region of the Kuiper belt. Their orbits are altered. Asteroids or comets often come from the asteroid belt or Kuiper belt, enter the inner part of our solar system. This is because asteroids or comets are affected by the gravity of the Sun and other planets, causing their orbits to change. Sometimes, they are projected by gravity into the inner part of our solar system. This process is like a billiard collision. Not only that, sometimes, asteroids collide with other celestial bodies, or are affected by gravity, which changes their orbits around the Sun, bringing them closer to the Sun. Moreover, when some asteroids or comets cross the Earth's orbit, they may be influenced by Earth's gravity, and be captured, temporarily orbiting Earth as satellites, or burning up as meteors when entering Earth's atmosphere. Burning up as meteors. These asteroids periodically approach Earth, and due to the influence of the Sun and the gravity of other planets, their orbits undergo significant changes, thus getting closer to our Earth. So by understanding the origins of these celestial bodies, we can better predict their behavior and orbits, thereby enhance the ability to identify and defend against potential threats. So scientists, by predicting the future trajectories of these celestial bodies, can assess the impact risks they may pose to Earth, and classify them, and develop appropriate strategies, thus providing better protection for Earth. As we delve deeper into near-Earth objects, we not only reveal the dangers they may pose to Earth, but also unveil the evolution of the solar system and its dynamic history, enriching and deepening our understanding of the universe. Meanwhile, let's go back to 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor event that occurred in Russia. Ball event, where a small asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded in the sky, causing shockwaves that shattered many windows. Over 1,000 people were injured. This incident made us realize the Earth, the vulnerability in monitoring and addressing space risks. Even in this modern age of technological advancement, we are still susceptible to threats from space. There is a need to strengthen monitoring and research in this area. So how do these space rocks approach our Earth? It all relates to gravity, which guides planets, and the general force behind asteroid movement. Sometimes the orbit of an asteroid may be influenced by the gravity of other celestial bodies, causing changes and bringing them closer to Earth or other planets. As we delve deeper into the exploration of the universe, tracking asteroids clearly requires a significant investment of funds and resources. Scientists use various observation devices to continuously monitor known asteroids and discover new ones in the process. This close observation is how we monitor asteroids, the first line of defense, because it allows us to predict the paths of these asteroids in the coming years, even decades ahead. When the orbit of an asteroid comes very close to Earth, what will happen? The gravitational interaction between Earth and the asteroid can cause slight but significant changes in the asteroid's orbit. This effect is known as gravitational perturbation. However, not every time the gravitational interaction between an asteroid and Earth will lead to catastrophic consequences. In fact, in the universe, the gravitational interaction between asteroids and Earth is a common and natural phenomenon. Although these interactions are common, understanding them is crucial for predicting the future paths of asteroids and the potential risks involved. However, in recent space observations, an asteroid named Apophis has caused concern among scientists, as it may collide with Earth in 2029, causing an impact event. The diameter of this asteroid reaches a surprising 370 meters. It is more than twice the size of the Washington Monument in the United States. If such a colossal object were to impact the Earth, it would release an energy equivalent to detonating hundreds of nuclear bombs simultaneously. The power of such an explosion would be equivalent to the meteorite impact event on the Yucatan Peninsula that occurred 66 million years ago, directly causing catastrophic harm and leading to the extinction of creatures like dinosaurs. If a massive asteroid like Apophis were to collide with Earth, the energy it would release would result in complete devastation in the impacted area. Such an impact could destroy thousands of square kilometers of land, causing surface deformations, geological upheavals, and intense explosive effects. Apart from the destruction in the immediate impact area, asteroid impacts can also have broader consequences, one of which is the entry of large amounts of dust and debris into Earth's atmosphere. This will lead to large-scale air pollution and atmospheric chaos. These substances will affect global climate and weather patterns, causing temperature changes, changes in precipitation patterns, and the occurrence of other meteorological phenomena. Fortunately, ARTHM, through modern technological means ART-HM, such as radar observations and orbital analysis, astronomers have been able to determine that Apophis in the next 100 years will not pose a threat to Earth. However, the real challenge lies not in these known asteroids, but in those that have not yet been discovered, hidden in space. These are rocks that even astronomers would feel helpless against. SciTech Daily. Most asteroids and 13technoloreview.com. November 1st will not pose a threat to our Earth. November 12th. because their paths and orbits have already been predicted by us. However, even if only one undetected asteroid were to collide with Earth, it will also pose a significant threat to Earth. When facing these invisible asteroid threats, NASA, global cooperation, jointly implement space monitoring and defense strategies, is crucial to protect Earth. However, SciTech Daily, when dealing with asteroid threats, not only need to track their trajectories and be prepared, but also need to deeply understand their nature and behavior. Every time an asteroid approaches Earth, it provides important information to scientists, including the composition of the asteroid, its orbit and the various forces acting on it. By observing and analyzing this data, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the nature of asteroids and their movement patterns, thereby improving the ability to predict their behavior and providing a basis for developing defense strategies. Our common goal as humans is clear: to ensure our Earth is protected from the doomsday crisis brought by asteroids. Our exploration of the universe shows that despite facing the unknown and challenges, but we can still strive to change the fate of the universe, protect our planet. So, do you think that with the protection of us humans, can our human civilization continue forever? Share your different opinions and views in the comments section. Thank you all for watching and paying attention patiently. See you next time.